I'm Mina and I come from Belgrade. I have been studying the Chinese language for the past 8 years now, and I have been living in China for about a year and a half. I'm currently a student of Shanghai International Studies University. My major is teaching Chinese to speakers of other languages. I chose this major because I was previously a student of Confucius Institute and Language High School in Belgrade. So I wanted to continue studying Chinese, but not only Chinese, but also to acquire knowledge of teaching other people. Chinese history is very long and very rich, so there's always something new to learn. Up till now, I had an opportunity to participate in different programs which let me experience different parts of Chinese culture. For example, I found out about the special Chinese calendar, and for each season what people tend to do and which food they like to make and eat to experience different festivals. That's how I actually learned quite a lot about China. I participated in a program where I go and eat different things from small stores or bigger restaurants. I found out that I like a lot of Chinese food, so that was a great experience. For now, I would like to spend some time in Shanghai to work. I hope one day I go back, maybe teach Serbian students Chinese, and then I'll also come back to China.